You've probably heard of Mark Cuban, billionaire, owner of the Dallas Mavericks, pretty well-known guy. Well, he's a big proponent of crypto. And he has come out and said that he wants Bitcoin to go a lot further down so he can buy more. Okay, he's been in support of crypto for quite some time, and he sees the great utility that could come from crypto. He also views Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation, which some people have argued as of late, but he says if you have gold, you're dumb. No, it's not a hedge against anything, right? A lot of people talk about, precious metals, gold, things like these as being a good hedge against inflation. If we actually look at the charts over the last 10 years, basically the existence of Bitcoin, we can see if you held gold 10 years ago, so back in December of 2012, you would actually be worth less. Okay. Not only has the price of gold come down during that time, inflation has gone up. If you look at the Bitcoin chart during that same period of time, it's actually increased exponentially. That's where the trade-off really lies. Now, he has been hit with some questions about some of the negative things surrounding crypto lately, like the collapse of FTX, other failures, and he has said these blowups have not been crypto blowups. They've been banking blowups. Lending to the wrong entity, misvaluations of collateral, arrogant arbs, followed by depositor runs. See long-term capital, savings, and loan and subprime blowups. All different versions of the same story. So he was asked then why he invested in crypto. He said he believes smart contracts will have a significant impact in creating valuable applications. I've said from day one, the value of a token is derived from the applications that run on its platform and the utility that they create. We are getting into a time where crypto advancement, crypto development is getting to obviously an all-time high. There's new use cases that are happening all the times, and some of these big players are starting to realize this. That's why you're having more and more well-known people that are starting to accumulate during these times where the market is down. It's the same reason why you see large companies taking out patents in the crypto sector, why you're seeing adoption of NFTs and new use cases happening there. Web3, crypto, NFTs, metaverse is all to the point where it's very close to blowing up, getting huge, getting mainstream adoption. These are the times where it's a great opportunity to look at and really investigate what things are going to make the long-lasting haul, right? But that's all I got for you guys in this one. Great to see adoption happening from people in very prominent spaces, right? But as always, I appreciate you guys stopping in, checking out the video here on the ClearCryptos channel. If you haven't already, do show your support for the channel. Hit that subscribe button. We've crossed 2,000 subscribers now. This is huge. Just growing every single day. Obviously, love to keep you guys updated on all things happening in crypto. Appreciate you guys as always. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. And we really hope to see you in the next one. Take care.